Hello, hi, welcome to unboxing of Suzuka. The Suzuka, when it comes from Q Express, comes with additional brown box packaging protecting the inner box. So I'll just open it and show you what is within. Okay. So within the brown packaging is another box to actually protect the Suzuka within. This is what you receive. So I'll open it and show you what is within. So once you open it, right at the top layer of the styrofoam, you have the menu and the water tank. The menu is all in English as well. So this is the Suzuka robot. So it comes very well packed in a separate packaging as well. Okay. The Suzuka comes equipped with a touchscreen LCD panel. All the displays are all in English. I'll turn it around and show you some of the functions it has. So it comes with a brush attachment. The brush attachment is equipped with a spring catch groove. So it allows it to actually clean deep in within the tiles and within the carpet as well. And it also equips with sensors for navigation from the front, the infrared sensor all the way to the front, and sensors all the way to the back of the machine. So besides that, the front of the robot is a suspension cushion. So it's actually cushioned upon impact and it navigates well. You can remove the brush attachment. It's a very large inlet. You can remove it easily and change to a suction inlet port as well. The brush attachment is easily cleaned as well. You can actually clean the whole brush out. You just pull it out and you can clean the brush within. So once you receive it, you just fit the two side brushes on. So this allows dust and hair to be all driven from the side of the walls and the edges all the way to the center suction inlet, and all the dust will be collected nicely. Okay, so just turn on the red switch at the side of the robot. And it will display the time and everything all in English. So the robot is equipped with a 3-pin charging cable. So you just plug it to the charging base and you can actually charge the machine. So when charging, the robot speaks English as well.
Start charging.
So the robot comes out from the base and cleans on its own on schedule, and it returns back thereafter as well.
Start charging.
So there is a water tank attachment. So the water tank attachment allows the robot to actually do vacuuming and mopping at the same time. So it is a large mop pad below. So you simply wet the cloth, put the solution on the cloth, and it will help you to mop the floor. So you just attach it on, and then there is a cap here. You lift it up and you fill it up with water. And it will maintain the cloth moisture throughout the cleaning process. So we will fit the cloth underneath the robot. It fits snugly and it holds the cloth in place within the groove. So you can see the robot will sweep all the dust from the corner. Everything is vacuumed nicely, and it finishes off with mopping the floor. Okay. I'll take some. Oh yeah. To clear the dustbin, everything is from the top. You just press, push, and you lift it. Okay. So clearing the dustbin is very simple. Just lift it up. You can pull everything out, and all the dust will be collected here. So it's all clean now. The robot comes with a remote control and a virtual wall as well. The virtual wall blocks the robot off any area you don't want it to go to. So yeah, we prepared some paper crumbs to actually test the suction power of the robot. So okay, I'll just put them here. And then we can let the robot run over it. And you can see it vacuums and mop at the same time. So you just start the robot and goes. Oh. No problem. Stop. Go. So the robot doesn't fall off the cliff as well. It's able to sense the cliff. All the dust is all clean. And it mops the table as well. It mops the table as well. So the dust will be collected here. You can all the large paper pieces are all collected here. Very nicely. It's very high suction power. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching unboxing of Suzuka.